Hello students, I am Santosh sir. So again I want to tell you about the type of the epithelium tissue. So there are different type of the epithelium tissue based on the cell shape and function and based on the number of the cell layer. So we are going to discuss here about the epithelium tissue based on the cell shape and function. So there are different type of the epithelium tissues. First is a squamous epithelium. Second is a cuboidal. Third is a columnar, and fourth is ciliated. Fifth is a granular. Sixth sensory epithelium, and seventh is germinal epithelium. So let us see here. Uh, Simple squamous epithelium tissue. Okay, it is a layer of thin and flattened cell. So we can say here, uh, and it is found in the area where diffusion or filtration occur. And its example is the air sac of lungs, kidney tubules, and capillary tube walls. And simple squamous epithelium lining blood vessels and heart is called endothelium. Endothelium. You can see the figure here. This is the first squamous epithelium. So squamous epithelium is made up of thin flat disc-like polygonal cells. The nucleus is rounded and centrally located. The cell margin may be smooth and wavy. The adjacent cells fit together like tiles on the pavement on a pavement or floor. That's why it is called pavement epithelium. It's also कॉल्ड पॉमेंट एपिथेलियम, क्योंकि ये जो है कि टाइल्स की तरह जो है कि बिछे होते हैं, इस वजह से इसको पॉमेंट एपिथेलियम भी कहते हैं. एंड द स्क्वेमस एपिथेलियम इज ऑफ टू काइंड्स, सिंपल स्क्वेमस एपिथेलियम एंड स्ट्रेटिफाइड स्क्वेमस एपिथेलियम. So simple squamous epithelium is made up of only single layer of the flat cells. So simple simple squamous epithelium is made up of only single layer of flat cell. But stratified squamous epithelium, it is composed of more than one layer of squamous cell. More than one layer of the squamous cell. You can see here squamous cells. This is the squamous cells. Okay, this is the squamous cell. Okay, and this is a nucleus. So stratified and simple. What is the difference between stratified and simple? Simple is made up of only one single layer of the flat cell, but stratified is composed of more than one layer of squamous cells. And what is the location? Simple squamous epithelium forms the lining of the nose, pericardial cavity, blood vessels, lung alveoli, bronchioles, coelomic cavity, and Bowman capsules. Stratified squamous epithelium is present where the thick cover are required. For the example, surface of the skin and oral cavity, pharynx, and esophagus. What is the function of the squamous epithelium? Squamous epithelium has a different function. First is protection, second is exchanges of gases, third is ultrafiltration, and fourth is abrasion. So what is protection? It protects the underlying part of the body from the mechanical injury and from desiccation of the organ. It prevents the entry of the germs and the chemical into the body. So first of all, we can say its main function is to prevent the entry of the germs and chemicals into the body, and second is the chemical exchange of the gases. So in lungs alveoli, epithelium allow the diffusion of oxygen into the blood and carbon dioxide from the blood into the alveoli. And ultrafiltration, it is found in the Bowman capsule also. So lining of the Bowman capsule removes the nitrogenous wastes from the blood by ultrafiltration, and this Bowman capsule is found in kidney. Okay, so its main function is to remove the nitrogenous wastes from the blood by ultrafiltration. And now we have to see here simple cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium. So its structure, you can see the structure is a look like a cuboid. So cuboidal epithelium is composed of cube-like cells of almost equal height and width. So see here, their height and width are equal. So cuboidal epithelium is composed of a cube-like cell of equal height and equal width. You can see this is the cuboidal epithelium. And what is the location? Cuboidal epithelium is present in the kidney. It is present in the kidney. It is present in the kidney. You can see here, it is present in the kidney, salivary glands, ciliary body, choroid layers of eyes, sweat gland, पैंक्रियाटिक डक्ट में पाए जाते हैं, थायराइड फॉलिकल्स एक्सेट्रा. एंड व्हाट्स इट इज आल्सो प्रेजेंट इन द germinal epithelium of the testes and ovaries. So it is also present in the testes and ovary और testes में भी present होते हैं. And what is the function of the cuboidal epithelium? So first is to provide the mechanical support. Second is secretion. Third is absorption and excretion, and fourth is gamete formation. That's why it is found in the testes and ovary. So I want to tell you about the first function of the cuboidal epithelium. It provides the mechanical support to the organ where it is present. So जहाँ पे present होते हैं वहाँ पे उस organ को जो है कि mechanical support प्रदान करते हैं. Second is secretion मतलब कुछ digestive juices जो है कि release करते हैं. So cuboidal epithelium of the digestive tract, हमारे डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक में जो पाए जाते हैं, सिक्रीट डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम एंड ऑफ द एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स सिक्रीट हार्मोन्स. ठीक है. एंड थर्ड इज एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड एक्सक्रीशन. एज वी नो दैट इट इज फाउंड इन द किडनी ऑल्सो. सो इन द यूरिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स cuboidal epithelium cell absorb wastes from the blood and help in their excretion, उसको रिमूव करने में. so to remove it also help in the removal of the wastes. And gamete formation, as I told you, it is also present in the germinal epithelium of the testes. So it is cuboidal cells of the germinal epithelium produce gametes. These gametes are responsible in the reproduction. And now we have to see here simple columnar epithelium. Simple columnar epithelium consists of the tall cylinder pillar-like cell. You can see here pillar-like cell. Okay, pillar-like cell. Okay, and the basal part of the cell which rest on the basement membrane bear ओवल न्यूक्लियस. जहाँ पे जो है कि बेसल होता है वो ओवल न्यूक्लियस जो है कि होता है. उसमें द फ्री एंड ऑफ द सेल्स हैज़ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ द माइन्यूट फाइबर हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. जो फ्री एंड होता है उस पर जो है कि हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं ऐसे. ठीक है. हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बियर लार्ज नंबर ऑफ द माइन्यूट फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन कॉल्ड माइक्रोविलाई. इसी को हम लोग माइक्रोविलाई कहते हैं. दिस इज माइक्रोविलाई आर ब्रश बॉर्डर. माइक्रोविलाई क्या फंक्शन है? माइक्रोविलाई इंक्रीज द एब्जॉर्प्टिव सरफेस. So I want to tell you about where it is found. So the location of the columnar epithelium is a pharynx, stomach, intestine, larynx and oviduct. As you know that this type of the cells are found in the stomach also and in intestine. As you know that in the small intestine some finger like projection is there which increase the rate of the absorption. So and it is also found in the sweat gland and the sebaceous gland. And what is the function? The columnar epithelium function in the secretion and absorption, and it provides the mechanical support to the organ. So it is designed for protection, secretion and absorption. And now we have to see here pseudo stratified columnar epithelium. It is made up of single layer of the columnar cells that appear to the multiplied layer because of its multiple layer of nuclei. So you can see here the cells have the hair like projection which is called cilia, which is made up of the protein, okay, on the cell membrane of the to trap and expel foreign particles or bacteria, or they may use to propel the egg cell in the uterine tubules. So main function of the cilia is to trap and expel, to remove the foreign particles which has entered in the cell, okay, like bacteria. Understood? Stratified squamous epithelium. Stratified squamous epithelium. You see here, stratified, it is made up of many layers of the flattened cells, and cells are at the bottom layers are the youngest and cuboidal cells will become the flattened as they move upward to the higher layer and form the epidermal lining of the oral cavity. Okay, lining of the oral cavity, throat and vagina. See the structure. And now you can see the stratified cuboidal epithelium and stratified columnar epithelium.